So in this video, you'll learn how to enable or disable customized modes and routines on your Samsung Galaxy A26, A36, and A56. So the first step is to open the Settings app, and then you want to scroll and select General Management. Under General Management, look for Customization Service and tap on it. And then from here, you want to look for Modes and Routines. If you're prompted to enable the customization service on your device, do so that you'll be given this list and so that you can be able to find the modes and routines option. So from here, you'll see a toggle next to this feature. So currently my toggle is blue, showing that customized modes and routines is enabled. If I want to disable it, I just need to tap on the toggle. When it turns to a gray color, it means it's been turned off and customized modes and routines has been disabled successfully. If I want to re-enable it, I can just tap on the toggle once and it will be turned on. So once you find this feature, it's up to you to decide if you want it turned off or turned on. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.